I said it. Didn't I? Your Majesty, the conspiracy is becoming glaring. An intricate plot to rob this family of the throne.
But the Dibia never said anything like that.
He didn't have to say that.
Tell me, wife.
What else did he mean by saying that the gods have not favored Nnamdi, when we all know that he is the heir apparent to the throne?
Wife, tell me, if Nnamdi was not your son, would you have subscribed to him being the king of Ugidi Kingdom? Tell me, with this his behavior, would you? No. Be honest, wife. Even the gods of the land are against him being the king of this kingdom. Your son Nnamdi must change. Else, I will hand over the mantle of leadership to the next family in line.
You will do no. Such thing.
Must change.
Your Majesty, maybe we should get him married. It will prepare him to be responsible. Sorry.
That's a wonderful idea. We have to start off with a marriage preparation immediately. Yes.
It's okay, Your Majesty.
It's a good one. I'm happy.
Sorry.
Mama. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
And your parents?
They are fine, Ma. What of Kaine Nichuku?
She's not in. She said she was going to see a friend.
Which friend, Mama?
I don't know. I thought you were even the one she was coming to see. You didn't see her?
Don't worry, Mama. No problem. I'll come back later.
Okay, my dear. Bye-bye.
I'm sorry, my friend.
What you ask of me is impossible. As you know, I'm a married woman.
Of course I know you're a married woman. I don't give a damn if you're married or not. Okay? Your prince, Prince Okwabonono Fogidi, wants to have a word with you. I want us to, know each other very well. Okay? So I bet and I urge you to just take a chill pill and do exactly what I asked you to do. To avoid if I had known.
My prince, I'm surprised you are still insisting. I love my husband.
Interesting. You love your husband? Alright. We will see to that in a couple of minutes. We will know if you love your husband or you're just saying it. Now, girl, you got yourself some bundle, okay? And, more coming from where I got this from. So if you behave yourself, of course, you get more. Here you go.
With all due respect, my prince, this whole thing is beginning to irritate me. Please, I think I don't need it. Please.
Wait. You are rejecting your prince. Okwabonono decided to be stubborn. I have better ways of treating people like you. That's
my prince.
In this palace, the eyes of God are here. If I can make I never all your plans must fail, must fail. Love is not by force. A force is in our lover. Love is not by force. A mercenary force, it comes natural. His arrogancy irritates me. After me, I get passion. I'm a prince. You are destroying this kingdom with your character. His arrogancy irritates me. After me, I get passion. The atrocity is getting too much. Prince, you are going out of hand. His arrogancy irritates me. After me, I get passion.
That is the prince's car, and those are his guards.
What are they doing there? And where is the person who was screaming?
Hey, look. The car is even moving. The car is bouncing.
It's really bouncing. What's going on there?
What did he do to you? He raped her. That monster.
She won't let him go scot-free.
What can she do? He's the prince.
And so what? That does not give him the right over the law. He's going to pay for it. I think we have to report to the police.
Eh? No. No, we can't.
Why not?
It's the prince we are talking about here.
And then, rape is a serious crime.
I know. What is going to weigh his words against ours. Besides, what if the woman in question does not want to involve the police?
Then we just witnessed a serious crime. And we can't just sit down and put our arms and do nothing about it.
You know what? Let the woman report first, then we can support her.
Hi.
Where are you coming back from?
I went out.
You couldn't let anyone know?
I didn't know I was supposed to write a proposal and submit it to my mom and my dad to sign before going out like some kindergarten shit, you know. I didn't know that.
We need to talk.
Talk about what?
Sit down. Nandi, your father and I have decided that you'll have to get married as soon as possible.
So when has marriage become something you just wake up one morning and decide for someone? You think it works like that?
Since you have decided to play with your destiny, we think and we believe that marriage will have to calm you down and make you more responsible.
Oh, please, you and your old folks will not cease to amaze me.
I beg your pardon? What did you just say?
Of course, you heard me clearly. Well, Mom, let's not drag this. The main thing is that I don't even have anyone in mind.
You don't have to worry yourself about having anyone in mind or not. Because there are too many beautiful, pretty, and responsible girls in the kingdom. You can choose any of them.
Mom, please, please. I don't want anyone to force me into marriage. I will get married at the right time, and I will get the right person I need. I mean, it's high time you all stop this thing in African homes. You know, selecting wives or telling your son when to get married or who to marry. I will get married when I want to get married at the right time.
You have no option, Nandi. Unless you are ready to fulfill the throne.
Stop now. Are you still angry with me?
Oh, I'm not angry with you. I don't just want to be accused of standing between you and the prince. Please.
So where did you go to? I was in your house early this morning and your mother said you went to see a friend. Which friend is that I don't know of?
You don't know him. You don't know him.
Did you say him?
Oh, would you go, Joe? Just leave me.
He's in this village. And since when did you start seeing him?
See, it's not what you're thinking. It's just a friend.
That's what they used to say. Oh, before you know it, the wedding bell will start ringing.
Yes, girl, you have wild imaginations. If you must know, he's the new copper.
Did you say copper? Hey, hey. Okay, oh, no problem. Kainene, you look pensive. Talk to me now. What happened?
I just witnessed a terrible evil committed against my fellow woman, and I feel powerless about it.
Who are you talking about? I don't...
Do you know Akunne?
Yes, I know Akunne. Obina's wife, of course.
I and Femi... Yes, Femi now. Femi, my copper friend.
Oh, okay, that. I remember.
We just saw the prince forcing himself on her.
Hey. Kainene, do you know the implications of what you just said?
I do. If I'm not sure of what I'm saying, I wouldn't say it.
Please, this is too expensive to be a joke. Please, I am begging you. The prince can actually have any woman of his choice. Left alone a married woman.
Uju, I told you this, but you wouldn't listen. That prince is insane. A pervert who does not think of any other person but himself. I told you, but you wouldn't even listen to me.
Oh,
please, spare me the explanation. I am not going to stand here and watch you make excuses for him.
But I'm not. I'm only saying
exactly what you're doing. Please.
Okay, I'm sorry now.
I don't want to hear it.
He has not gotten to this. Kainene, stop. I'm sorry. I'm not making...
Akunne, get me water to drink. Oh. Aku baby. Akunne. Where could she have gone? Akunne. Where could she have gone? Akunne.
Akunne. Hey! Akunne, you can't do this to me now. What is this? Akunne, you can't do this to me now. You can't do this to me. What did this to you? Baby, what did this to you? Just talk to me, please. You can't do this to me now, Akunne, please. No! Akunne, you can't do this to me now. You can't do this to me now, really. Oh my God. You can't do this to me, Akunne. Oh my God.
What? What is it? What is it?
Femi.
What's to see you?
Akunne is dead.
Akunne? Who is Akunne?
The lady we saw the prince chest out of his car.
The one he raped?
Yes.
Hey! What happened? Someone we saw barely an hour ago. How?
She committed suicide.
Hey! Kiyoshishe? Tell me this is a joke.
Now, Femi, how can I possibly joke with something like that? She's dead.
You know what? Take me there. Just take me there, please.
In this balance, the eyes of God are here. If I can make I never, I just all your plans must fail, must fail. If we make the label, in a bank, it's only in this balance, the eyes of God are here. If I can make I never, I just all your plans must fail, must fail.
Wait. Why are you crying? Why now? Wait. What were you expecting? Oh, that after throwing yourself from the prince, that he will take care of you, or probably marry you as his wife. And I'll go Chinti. I tried to advise you, and you did not listen to me. Now look at how you use your own hands to break your own heart. Nebe? Nebe, oh? Even what about we and I is here? Nayani, oh? Nebe, Besike, hide the body.
Where is he? Where's that coward? Out of my way! Nothing! President Nazi, come up here! Come and face me like him when you are! You coward! Idiot! Come up here, idiot! President Nazi! Prince Omia, come out here.
What is the problem?
Your Highness, the prince killed my wife.
The prince killed your wife. What do you mean by that? Young man, do you know that this is the palace and such stunts are not tolerated here?
Stunt? My wife is dead and the prince is responsible for my wife's death.
How do you mean that my son is responsible for the death of your wife? She committed suicide because the prince forced himself on her?
Yes, Your Highness.
Do you realize that this does not prove anything? And do you know the implications of such accusations against the crown prince?
Your Majesty, the prince has been asking my wife out and she kept on turning him down. Now he decided to take her by force.
This is a serious accusation, my son, and I'm going to treat it as such. The prince is not at home at the moment. We need to hear from him before we jump into any conclusion. But mark my words, if this accusation proves to be true, I will make sure that justice is served. Him being my son, notwithstanding, is a promise. You may now leave.
Leave the palace! Leave the palace, young man. I said leave the palace.
You people have to be more vigilant. Do you hear me?
I've told you times without number to stop barging into my room like this. It's bad.
What is this?
Where did you get this, Mom?
Nnamdi, did you or did you not force yourself on that woman?
I don't know what you're talking about, Mom.
Nnamdi, this is a serious allegation. Did you or did you not do it?
How can you just come in my room asking me if I did something? I don't know what you're talking about.
Nnamdi, when did you turn into this? How could you? How could you do such a thing? Don't worry. I will tell your father about it. And of course you know how he will feel.
Mom, you're not serious right now, right?
Watch me.
Mom, please. You can't possibly tell my father. Okay, fine. I accept what I did, as it's not right, and I apologize, and I promise I'm not gonna do that again. I'm going to change.
So, Nnamdi, you admit it, which means you did it. Nnamdi, when did you become such a beast? We have high hope on you. When did you become this total stranger?
Mom, it's okay, all right? promise I'm gonna change. I really don't know when I did it.
Nnamdi, what did I do to deserve this from you? Where did I go wrong? Why are you doing this to me?
Mom, I have promised you that I'm going to change. It's just a matter of time. It's not actually easy to change, but I'm telling my mom right now that I'm going to change for her to be happy. Okay?
You are going to change, right?
I said that already. I'm going to change.
Good. Then start by bringing back the dead woman. Bring her back to life.
Mom.
And
That's some Jesus miracle, bro. It's okay. No, don't be like that. It's fine. I'm going to...
How could you do this to me?
Guy, this one where you did like this. You know they go CDS.
I will go.
You don't right, so?
Not really. I'm having some slight headache.
Oh. Sorry. You go try me take drugs, so you know say that the weather and they cause all this disease and the sickness.
I will.
But I might just rush the go time no dey.
It's okay now. Yeah.
Look at me now. Just take a proper look at me. Just look at me. What do you think?
Think about what?
My dress and my work. Do you think I stand a chance?
I can't believe you're doing this.
Doing what?
I can't believe you're joining the parade.
Hey, Kainene, I know you don't want the prince. I want the prince. Every girl in this community want the prince. And I don't see myself carrying last in this. Please.
Ujunwa. What happens to the innocent woman that is dead? Nobody's even saying anything about her or the prince's involvement in her death. Well, the royal family just carried on as if nothing happened.
The prince faulted the allegation, so I don't see anything wrong in that.
Chere. Did you actually expect him to accept?
For me, I think he should carry his wife and bury the dead wife and stop creating unnecessary attention.
Ujunwa. Ujunwa. Did you just say unnecessary attention? Uju, you will be mad. Oh, you think this is what all this is all about? The man just wants justice for his dead wife.
My darling, I don't think the prince can stoop so low as to have something to do with that woman. Do you realize she's a married woman? When all the whole girls in this village is flocking around the prince, including me.
Hey! Ujunwa, it's so easy for you to stand here and talk because you've not had an encounter with that man. Because if you have, you will understand that, you see that your prince? That prince, he is just a randy pervert.
When I do have an encounter with him, my darling, he doesn't need to force me. I personally will give in myself.
Oh, please, Ujunwa, can you stop? Just stop it. You're so blinded by your ambition to get married to the prince that you have refused to see the truth staring you right in the face.
My darling, The only thing on my mind now is becoming the queen of this kingdom.
I don't even know why I'm still standing here.
Come now, Kaine.
Stop it. You want to be mad? The man lost his wife and you're here telling me you want to marry him.
I'm sorry, Aya now.
Hello, sis. I know how hard this must have been for you. Forced into silence for the rest of your life. Yet, the perpetrators of this evil act are walking around freely. It hurts. I mean, I feel so guilty right now. But I'm not different from them. I also have my own stuffs going on with me. Like today, a woman, an innocent woman, died. That's a result of my evil act. And look at me, we're walking around freely because I have a blue blood in me. It's crazy. But with time, I know I'm going to change. I know I'm going to stop all of this and become the best version of myself. If you say so. Even some people think that I am not going to make a good king. Everybody thinks I will not make a good king, but deep down I feel I'm going to make a good king. Okay, I'm going to say things the way they are, and people will have to obey that. Okay. I don't mean to say too much, but I just feel that everyone is against what I'm trying to bring to the table. Okay. But I don't mind because I know myself. I know definitely I'm going to change. I'm going to change. I'm going to turn a new leaf. Sis, why did you look at me like that? Even you? Wait, you think I'm not going to make a good king? Oh, come on, sis, this is heartbreaking. Even you. Only one person I thought you. Only one person I thought is with me. He's even doubting me.
Are you trying to tell me that nothing has been done about the issue?
Femi, absolutely nothing has been done about it.
I thought you said you visited the palace.
I did. I did visit the palace. The queen assured me that she will handle the case. But apparently nothing has been done. They are currently planning for Prince's marriage.
This is barbaric. Why don't you take the case to the police?
Police, you said? What could police do? If not to keep on stirring and stirring until the case is being swept under carpet and forgotten. What will the police do?
So, what do you want to do now?
Well, what else can a commoner like me do if not to leave everything in the hands of God and mourn my wife in peace? But it's very pathetic. It's very pathetic that the prince can do this to my wife. It's very pathetic, but... That's very good. On behalf of the king and the royal family, I welcome all of you to this great event. We believe by the end of the day, our prince will have a wife to choose among the maidens. I urge you all, the maidens, to be very serious with your dance because you are going to be the chosen one. Let the show begin.
Dirty man. No, we can't command the wine where they here. Eh? All these coppers, eh? How can somebody come and remove the wire that we used to? Kaine,
Eh?
you didn't go to the palace.
What for?
You are the only lady who didn't go for the contest.
What contest?
I heard that the maidens went to present themselves at the palace. That whoever wins becomes the prince's wife.
I did not go. But why would the royal family plan the prince's marriage at a time like this? I mean, that's so insensitive of them. Nobody's even saying anything about the atrocity the prince committed.
I wish there was something we can do, but I don't think there is anything we can do because their grief doesn't want to press any charges on the family. I guess the royal family is apparently untouchable.
Anyways, me, I'm not even interested in marrying the prince, so Obasam, I'm not even interested. I am in love with someone else. A man more responsible. A real man. I mean, a man who knows how to treat a lady right. A man whom anytime.
Sorry.
Like I was saying, a man whom anytime I see him, my
Sorry.
my heart just. Are you not interested in what I'm saying?
Hey, I'm listening.
Okay, yeah. So like I was saying, a man.
Oh, sorry.
What?
You're in love with someone else, eh?
Of course, I'm human and I have feelings too.
So you love someone and you didn't want to tell him. Why?
How I feel about him and how he feels about me doesn't really matter. Because it really hurts to know that you're loving a man alone.
So why don't you tell him?
No, I can't tell him so that they will think I'm cheap. Mban.
Oh my God, you're so funny. You love someone so deeply and you're dying in silence and you didn't want to tell the person. That sounds funny.
I believe in something. If we are meant to be, he will realize it. I will not have to force anything. Yeah.
I see.
Ogidi Kingdom, when? When? Praise Onu. You can now, the maidens, line up for our prince to make a choice of his beautiful wife. Our prince, please, you can now rise and make a choice of your wife among the beautiful maidens of our kingdom. These are very beautiful maidens. You can have a wife of your choice. Thank you very much.
Father, inasmuch as I have so much time in my hands, you don't bring me out here to insult me. I am not seeing anyone here, which simply means I am not interested. Stop bringing girls to me, please. This should be the last time it will ever happen. Please, Father.
You're welcome to my house. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mama, meet my friend, Femi.
Femi?
Yes, Mama. He's Yoruba.
What is a Yoruba boy doing in our village?
He's a youth corper and
yes,
he teaches at the community school.
Yes.
Femi, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
I hope you're enjoying your stay here.
Yes, your people are very nice people.
Good.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Okay, I said let me walk her home. I will be taking my leave now.
I hope I'm not the one chasing you.
No, ma, not at all. Not at all, yes.
Okay.
I'll leave now. Okay?
All right, I'll see you.
Take care, huh?
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma.
Take care.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, Mama.
Please.
Oh, Femi, he's just my friend.
Just your friend?
Yes.
It better be just friends. Because I will not have Onye Manu as my in-law.
Mama!
Don't mama me! You are here gallivanting with just friends. When all your mates are in their husband's houses.
Mama, please don't even start.
Kainene, I said I will start. The other day, all the eligible maidens were at the palace, hoping for the prince to choose them, but you were absent.
Okay,
wait, let me
I've
ask
heard you.
Let me ask you. Does it mean you are allergic to good things, or you
Mama, I've heard you. Please, I've heard you. I'll get married at the right time.
Kainene Chukwu, when is the right time?